In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Outlook. If you find yourself typing the same messages over and over like status updates, meeting follow-ups, or quick acknowledgements, templates can save you a lot of time and keep your communication consistent. Start by opening a new message. Click New Email so you're in a Compose window. Templates live inside the Message Composer, so you need this window open to set one up. With the message open, look at the ribbon across the top and make sure you're on the Message tab. Find the option labeled View Templates. Depending on your version of Outlook, you might see it directly on the ribbon, or you may need to open the Apps or More Actions menu, which appears as 3 dots. If you don't spot it right away, expand the menu and scroll. View Templates is sometimes stuck a layer deeper. When you click it, a panel called My Templates will slide open on the right side of your email. Inside that panel, click the plus button labeled Template. This is where you create the reusable content you'll insert later. You'll see a place to give your template a title and a larger space to type the message itself. Give your template a clear, descriptive title you'll recognize at a glance. Think about how you search under pressure. Phrases like meeting follow-up, out of office reply, or weekly update intro make it easy to pick the right one quickly. Then, type the body of your message exactly the way you want it to appear when you insert it into future emails. You can include formatting like bold or italics, line breaks, and links. Consider using simple placeholders, such as brackets for names or dates, so you can personalize the message in a second. Avoid including sensitive information in a template, and keep the tone and details general enough to reuse. Note that this feature is designed for the message body. You'll still type a subject line manually when you send each email. When your content looks good, click Save. Your new template will appear in the My Templates list, ready whenever you compose a message. The next time you're writing an email, just open View Templates, click the template's title, and Outlook will drop that content right into your message body for quick customization. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.